Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. We are going to start learning something. But before we start learning, we should know what to learn and we should learn how to learn. Today, we are going to learn mathematics. And before we start learning, we should throw out one negative thought about mathematics, that it is a very tough subject. In my point of view, mathematics is not only a subject, but it is a tool to deal with everything in our day-to-day life. So, we should feed our brain with a positive thought that mathematics is as easy as to cut butter with knife. If we have good command in mathematics, then we can deal with any situation in our life. And the knowledge and performance in every subject will gradually be increased. Now, let's start. Open your book, your copy, and use your pen or pencil, whatever you want to use. The chapter 1, Rational Number. There are mainly 3 types of problem to solve in this exercise. Type 1 is to express rational number as a rational number with desired numerator or denominator. Type 2 to express a rational number in standard form. And type 3 is to compare the rational number or arrange them in ascending or descending order. We will go through the 3 conceptual points to solve the exercise. Let's start.
Rational numbers are the numbers of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. As we know that the collection of all positive and negative numbers, including 0, are called integers. And we also know that any number divided by 0 is not defined. That's why there is a condition that Q should not be 0. That is, the denominator should not be 0. In order to solve type 1 problem, we should know that if we are going to multiply or divide the numerator by some number, to get the desired numerator, we have to multiply or divide the denominator and vice versa. That is, if we are going to multiply or divide the denominator by some number, to get the desired denominator, we have to multiply or divide the numerator as well by the same number. Like for example, if you want to express minus 3 by 5 as a rational number with denominator 35, then we have to multiply the denominator by 7. Then according to the rule, we have to multiply the numerator, that is minus 3, as well with 7. Then we will get minus 21 by 35 is the desired answer. And if you want to express minus 48 by 60 as a rational number with denominator 5, then we have to divide the denominator by 12. Then according to the rule, we have to divide the numerator as well with 12 also, so that we'll get the desired answer, that is minus 4. Now, in order to solve type 2 problem, that is to express a rational number in standard form. In simple language, standard form means in simplest form. In order to solve the question based on this type, we have to divide the numerator and denominator by their highest common factor. Like, if you want to express minus 14 by 49 in its standard form, then we have to divide the numerator and denominator with the highest common factor of minus 14 and 49, that is 7. Then we will get the final answer, that is minus 2 by 7. And in type 3 problem, there may be 3 types of question in this type. Type A, that is if numerators are same, like 4 by 7 and 4 by 5. In this type, we are going to compare the rational numbers. In type A, if numerators are same, then the rational number with greater denominator will be smaller. Or if numerators are minus 3 by 5 and minus 3 by 7. In case of negative rational numbers, the rational number with greater denominator will be greater. In the second part of the type 3 problem is if denominators are same, like 7 by 4 and 5 by 4. In this case, the rational number with greater numerator will be greater. But in case of negative rational numbers, by 3. the rational number with the smaller negative numerator will be greater. And in case C of the type 3 question, where numerator and denominators both are different, in this case we can solve this type of question in two ways. First is by cross multiplying the numerators and denominators in this way, and we will write the product as 7 3s are 21 and 4 5s are 20. As 20 is greater than as 21 is greater than 20, therefore rational number of the side 21, that is 3 by 5, will be greater than the rational number of the side 20, that is 4 by 7. And second way to solve this type of question is to make the rational numbers like. To make the rational numbers like, we have to take out the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. And we have to get denominator of each rational numbers as 35. To do so, we have to multiply the denominator by 7, and to do so we have to multiply the denominator as well by the same number 7. Then we will get 21 by 35. And for 4 by 7, we have to multiply the denominator by 5 and the numerator as well. Then we will get 20 by 35. Now we can compare the products. That is 21 by 35 is greater than 20 by 35. That is 3 by 5 is greater than 4 by 7. If there are only two rational numbers, then we can compare them easily by this method, that is by cross multiplying the numerators and denominators. But in case of more than two rational numbers, we have to follow these steps, and this step will help us to arrange the rational numbers in ascending or descending order. Let's arrange let's arrange minus 3 by 4, 5 by minus 12, minus 7 by 16 and 9 by 24. The first step is to make the denominator positive, and we will do this directly, as minus 3 by 4, minus 5 by 12, 7 by 16 and 9 by 24. And the next step is to take out the LCM of the denominators, that is 4, 12, 16 and 24, which is 48. Now express each of these rational numbers as a rational number with denominator 48. To do so, you have to multiply the rational number minus 3 by 4 by 12, that is minus 36 by 48 minus 12 by 4 minus 20 by 48 minus 20 and 1 by 48. And 18 by 48. Now we can easily compare the rational numbers and we can arrange them in ascending or descending order. Like if you want to arrange these rational numbers in ascending order, first we have to write the smaller one, that is minus 36 by 48 minus 21 by 48 minus 20 by 48 and 18 by 48. So the smallest one is minus 36 by 48, and so on. Now we are going to write the final answer. To do so, we have to write the original fractions which are given in the question. The fraction, the rational number related to minus 36 by 48 is minus 3 by 4 is less than minus 7 by 16 is less than minus 5 by 12 is less than 9 by 24. This is your final answer. In this way, we can arrange the rational numbers in descending order also. And one more thing you should know, that every positive number is greater than 0 and every negative numbers, and every negative number is smaller than 0 and every positive number. Hence, we've discussed all the points. And we have all the concepts required to solve each and every question of exercise 1A. Now you can solve very easily each and every question of the exercise. Now it's your turn